Electric wooden driveway gates. Armagh electric with gates for driveways.
Hello, if you're looking for electric gates in Armagh, then give us a call. My name is Adrian McGivern from Gates Ireland, and we make, install and repair electric gates in Armagh and right across Northern Ireland, but we're based in Armagh. So if you need any help with your electric gate systems, feel free to give me a call, even if it's just for a quick chat, for some information or some advice. My number is 07855 781 433. That's Electric Gates Armagh at 07855 781 433. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Bye.